start seeing curry leaves. Yeah, friend, you have a camera? I will take your picture. This is called Muvatupuzha river. It is Muvatupuzha river. We have like this 44 river in Kerala. Lot of rivers. This is actually originating from the east side of Kerala called the Idukki district. It's maybe you heard about the famous hill station tea plantation, the famous tourist place called Muna. Yeah. It's from the same region. It's originating. Then we'll peel out the outer layer. Okay.
If you want, you put 2 parts in here.
Yeah, many parts. If you want a more thick one.
briglie di presto, però
There are a lot of people from Bangalore and Kochi working in Japan in Toyota.
Toyota. Do Kerala people make some parts?
Okay, clam separately.
あれイスラムの人たちです。ムスリムですね。服装が。
Sì, infatti è un disco. Pensavo, ma mi sembra un disco.
We also think so. This is the restaurant very old. Mustard seed curry leaves.
It's delicious.
And carrots?
Yeah, carrot. Pineapple.
And I mix it
At
with,
last you can eat.
crush it, and I just scoop it up.
Don't
The taste will be different. Even Farmanja.
Yeah.
Not using
No, we are putting it in tamarind.
やっぱ基本的に全部このケララの独特なものなんですか。
ものなんか他のところでは食べれない。でこれは多分なんかちょっとイレギュラーですけど、全部野菜だけなんですよ。
ああ、なるほど。
È piacevole.
ちょっと観光客向けになってるんですかね。
そうですね、多分。でもなんかこれが全部野菜からできてるって信じられないぐらい美味しくて、
確かに。
これも豆のペーストにしてそれを天日干しして。
The Indian falcon sitting that this tree.
Yeah, mate. Hello.
Especially aquas. എവിടെ ഇറക്കണം?